I'm Janice Randall, and I'm the manager for the Indigenous Engagement Student Supports Office.
My name is Elder One Gun from Siksika Nation, and I will be the Master of Ceremonies.
So, a round dance traditionally was a time for people to come and gather, and it was a time of healing through grief. And more recently, in times, it has become a social event. In this context here with Medicine Hat College, it's definitely going to be a time for socializing, coming together as a community, and honoring the college and all of the amazing things that are happening here in the students.
The round dance is an invite for all walks of life. So we were taught that once we come in through the door, there's everything's left at the door. All walks of life can just come enjoy themselves. I'm pretty sure there'll be food, there's dance, there's songs, and then there's mingle, time to wind down from your everyday work. So it's basically side shuffle, holding hands as unity, just like a circle. So the circle of life, we want to hold each other tight, and then we just go with the beat. So the beat might be faster, we dance faster, slower, slower. And we don't have to dance every song. If we're tired, have a break, dance at your pace, and dance as long as you can too.
Really easy to pick up. It's just like when Gun said, just side shuffle. You're gonna slide, lift one leg up, slide, lift one leg up. The only thing is like maybe the next day you're gonna have like a sore hip, but other than that, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Traditionally, I think women always would be in wearing a skirt. The reasoning for the dress is like that connection to Mother Earth.
Yeah, it's a good time. They always say our elders like to see us in our best garments. So, if you have a nice silk shirt for the men, collared shirt, something that makes you look really sharp.
There's not really a etiquette per se, but bring your spirit, bring what makes you feel good, wear what makes you feel good. 11 a.m. we're having a pipe ceremony in the Ómahksípiitaa room, Big Eagle room, and then the round dance will be at 6 p.m. in the Snake Pit in our gymnasium here at Medicine Hat College.
So also, it's to note that it's a drug and alcohol free. Also, as master of ceremonies, there is nothing but family fun.
And we're also going to have the Firekeepers Women's Society here with a concession. And we're also going to have vendors here. And we're also going to have a recruitment table here. So it's going to be an awesome night full of amazing things. Come on down.